So this is a battery thermometer, and I'm just melting the wax in them. And the idea is these kits, when you check a battery, like a lead acid type battery, this tells the temperature and gives you a good hydrometer reading. Now they're using these all over the world. When you think of different instruments, you think of like electronic instruments, you think of different like the newer style stuff. They still buy these because these are like ultimate off-the-grid type of tools. These we sell our hydrometers, they get shipped all over the world, and there's lots of countries that they're still living on dirt floors, you know, but in their town they have a watering hole, might have a light, and they have you know, they're at the center of town, they might have a street light, and they have a battery system just to kind of keep track of that, and maybe some solar panels that somebody donated, but they don't have a ton of money to deal with. So when you're dealing with collecting energy, lead acid batteries they've always been the best. They've been the original, and they're still the best. And these thermometers, they're used in keeping them going. And if you were to have like an electronic device, a newer style electronic device to check the batteries, they can fail, and they don't have a Walmart that they could run down to buy a battery for their device that needs a battery to check your batteries. They need kind of stuff this is just an old Archimedes principle type of thermometer that is it's older than all of us, and it works well. It's older technology, but it still works. So this is where, you know, it still gets utilized. You think it's antiquated technology, but you know, we live in America. We're a little bit spoiled when it comes to technology. We always have the cutting edge stuff, and it's just not the way it is all over the rest of the world. So there's still market for this stuff. Kind of neat. Proud to be making it.